soy aquel que te dio rosas, pero te di mi corazón y es más valiosa la forma en que te trataba y lo superé. La canción se acaba y tú constante, el WhatsApp me lo estás llenando.
Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna go to El Chapo's muffler to go see how much he'll charge me to do my exhaust, because I want to do side exits because I'm too low in the back, so my pipes, they go to the side all the way to the back. They hit every time I go up a curve or something, so I'm gonna do side exits. But I'm on my way right now. I'll see you guys in a bit. Going straight pipe, guys. I'm doing new pitch as well. Alright, look at guys. I'm recording for Angel. I'll send you this footage. I'm recording for Angel. I'll send you this footage. So. Yeah. What is that they burn off? He just burnt those off from Angel's truck. It's gonna look so nice, the muffler that he got. I don't know if you guys can see the muffler. That's right here, hold on. That's the muffler Angel's gonna put in his truck. It's gonna look so nice. It's two muffler. He's only gonna put it on one side though. At the lightning exits. I also had to take off the muffler because it said it was going to be more bezel and it's going to cost more because more piping. Because it has 2 exits. And I had to take it off. I had to take it off too because there's a hole in it now. But hit me up for a message for sale. If you guys are located in Oxnard, come check it out. El Chapo's muffler. Ahí está bien. Sí. Dale gas, mijo. ¿Qué soldado, güey? Sí. It does, but that's just so bright. So they just finished up right here. Hopefully it sounds good, because now I have no muffler. Let's see how it sounds though. Max. Okay, I'm too low. Que suelo, mom. What's up? What's up? What's up? It looks like a hairy ball. What's up? Nobody never knows how to do that shit. It's not the same. A little louder, huh? So this is the aftermath. I'm gonna show you Angel's gonna show you guys too, but I'm gonna be the first person to show you guys. Well, look at the new muffler. And that shit looks nice, I ain't gonna lie. It's like a
Yep. There it is. Check it out. That shit looks nice. Yeah, it looks dope.
That shit looks sick. They're like gray, bluish, huh?
It's like bluish, grayish.
That shit looks nice. I think they look better than the ones I had on.
Yeah. I think I'll look. Are you gonna
get the muffler?
Oh, are you gonna put both of them or not? I look blurry. Nice. He's only gonna leave that side. But yeah, stay tuned.
You guys good or what?
Yeah, we're good, dog.
Alright. Hey, be safe.
She's on, man.
Fool, she was walking like in the middle of the, like she was going like when the cars were passing by. She was like she was trying to walk straight in the middle of the street when the cars were passing by.
Alright guys, so it's a couple days later, but I'm gonna give you guys a cold start right now. I gotta move my truck real quick because my girlfriend, she's going to work, so I gotta move my car because there's no way. That sounds so better. Sounds better than before. Alright guys, so this is how my truck's looking right now. She looks good. With the new tips, check it out. I'm in love with those tips. Sheesh. I can't wait to lower the front. Alright guys, so I got good news. I might be starting a new job soon. So I'm gonna be dropping the front soon. It's gonna look way better when I drop the front. Can't wait. Little by little. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be going to the liquor store to get some tapatio and some chips so I could eat my Maruchan good. But before I leave, I'm gonna give you guys a sound clip of how it sounds when I start it up. Y'all ready to hear la Mamalona cut? And let me just set this up real quick. Right there. It wasn't even full throttle either. But right now I'm gonna go to the store and I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm gonna give you guys some pulls. Some quick pulls. Oh, I'm sure about that one. Let me roll down my window so you guys can hear it. My phone doesn't fall. Alright. Ay, güey, no mames, viene un pinche semi, güey. I'm gonna give you guys the first gear. Making car alarms go off. Ooh, I like that little pops at the end. phone keeps falling. That shit sounds so sexy. It's like I'm like a kid with a new toy right now. Let me know what you guys think about the new tips. I like them. They look tight. I like them. They don't look plain like my other chrome ones, so I think it matches the truck because it's dark. My windows are dark. My rims are black, so it matches. Well, that's gonna be it for the video for today. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.